Nobody wants a political gridlock. That's what Senator Risa Hontiveros says. But what happens when a handful of senators challenge the Supreme Court itself and insist on putting Vice President Sara Duterte on trial anyway? This isn't just political drama. This could be the start of a constitutional standoff. A bloc of 4 senators, Hontiveros, Pangilinan, Aquino, and Sotto, has signed a resolution urging the Senate to move forward with Duterte's impeachment trial, despite the Supreme Court ruling that declared the case unconstitutional. But here's the thing. The Supreme Court's July 25th decision was crystal clear. It redefined when impeachment begins, and under that ruling, the latest complaint is void. It wasn't just a technicality. It was a constitutional correction. The senators say this isn't about provoking a crisis. They want a balanced engagement between the branches of government. But critics argue this push could undermine the rule of law and turn Congress into a courtroom that overrides even the Supreme Court. The resolution even cites constitutional framer Adolf Aquino. He admits the ruling was legally correct, but grossly unfair because it applied a new rule retroactively. But here's a question few are asking. Is this really about fairness, or a last-ditch effort to keep Duterte politically wounded heading into 2028? Let's not forget, this is the 4th impeachment attempt. And this one, it had 215 signatures in the House, rushed straight to the Senate without a single hearing or piece of evidence. So, what exactly would senators be trying? At the heart of this fight is one question. Can the Senate defy a Supreme Court ruling and call it constitutional independence? Senate President Escudero has yet to weigh in, but on August 6th the Senate will deliberate. And if they proceed, they may not just be putting the Vice President on trial, they may be putting the Constitution itself on the line. Is this about checks and balances or political payback? And right in the middle of it all is Sara Duterte, fighting legal battles many say just shouldn't exist in the first place. I'm Becky Wilcox, and this is Insight News TV, where we go beyond headlines and ask the questions others won't. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more fearless political analysis and exclusive legal breakdowns.